Stepping out of a hot shower into a fog bank sucks, and listening to a fan that sounds like a jet engine is even worse. I wanted to fix my bathroom ventilation without tearing down the ceiling, so I bought and tested 5 of the most popular exhaust fans on the market. I checked them for noise, ease of installation, and how well they actually clear the air. Product number 1, Broan New Tone Easy Retrofit. I started with the Broan New Tone. Holding this unit, the first thing I noticed was the clean cover grill. It doesn't look like those old vented plastic grates. It's smooth and blends right into the ceiling, which I really liked. The installation was the biggest win here. I didn't need to crawl into a dusty attic or cut new drywall. It just snaps in from the room's side. I ran it while taking a hot shower, and while you can hear it running, it's rated at 1.5 suns. It's a soft hum, not a rattle. It's Energy Star certified and moves 80 CFM of air, which cleared the mirror fog in my average-sized guest bath pretty fast. If you need a quick, painless upgrade without tearing apart your ceiling, this is the way to go. Product number 2, Amico Bathroom Exhaust Fan 2-pack. Then I tried the Amico, which actually came as a 2-pack. Pulling these out of the box, they felt pretty standard, but the value is undeniable if you're renovating multiple bathrooms. I mounted one using the included brackets, and it felt secure between the joists, though you can also screw it directly to the wood. The surprise here was the noise level. At 1 suns, it was noticeably quieter than the Broan I just tested. It pushed the same 80 CFM of air, so the steam vanished just as effectively, but I could barely hear it over the sound of the shower. It's UL listed, so safety isn't a concern. If you're a landlord or just fixing up a couple of bathrooms on a strict budget, getting 2 quiet fans for this price is a steal. Product number 3, Panasonic Whisper Value. Switching gears to the Panasonic Whisper Value. When I picked this up, I was shocked by how thin it is. It has this ultra-slim profile designed for tight spaces where a normal fan literally won't fit. Because it's so slim, I realized I could actually mount this in a wall, not just the ceiling, which solves a huge headache for older houses with weird framing. I played around with the Piquet Flow switch, which lets you toggle between 50, 80, or 100 CFM. I set it to 100 and it moved serious air. The unique L-shaped bracket made securing it simple even in a cramped spot. It runs on a DC motor, so it should last a long time. If you have limited ceiling space or need a wall-mounted option, this is the only one that will fit. Product number 4, Panasonic WhisperFit. Sticking with Panasonic, I installed the WhisperFit. This one is built specifically for retrofitting. My favorite part was the Flexi Fast bracket. It hinges and expands so I could position the fan exactly where I wanted it without fighting the joists. It felt incredibly high quality in my hands. Like the previous model, it has that speed selector switch, but this one goes up to 110 CFM. When I cranked it up, it cleared a large master bath effortlessly. Despite the power, it's still Energy Star certified and runs very quietly. It feels like a permanent solution, not a cheap fix. If you want the best possible installation experience and powerful airflow, this is my top pick for replacing an old, noisy fan. Product number 5, Or Matter Smart Bathroom Fan. Finally, I got my hands on the Or Matter Smart Fan. This isn't just a fan, it's a gadget. It connects to Alexa and Google Home, which I honestly didn't think I needed until I could tell my bathroom to vent without touching a switch. The lighting is wild. I messed around with the AI lighting scenes and the music sync, which basically turns your shower into a mini concert. It pushes 110 CFM, so it's powerful, though at 2 suns it is a bit louder than the Panasonic's. The app control is smooth, letting you adjust the white light for shaving or RGB colors for relaxing. If you love smart home tech or want to make bath time fun for the kids, this is the coolest option by far. Whether you need a simple swap, a silent runner, or a full-blown light show, upgrading your fan makes a huge difference in keeping mold away. I've dropped links to all 5 models in the description so you can check the current prices and grab the one that fits your home. Thanks for watching and stay dry.